In today's video, you'll learn how to add videos to your Figma prototypes to make your designs feel more interactive and engaging. Adding motion can really elevate a presentation, especially when you want to showcase real product behavior, animations, or storytelling elements inside your mockups. Planning placement first helps everything feel intentional and clean. The first method involves using the Fill panel. Select the shape or frame where you want the video to live, then move to the right-hand panel and locate the Fill section. Click the plus icon to add a fill, and from the available options, choose Video. From there, you'll be prompted to upload a video file from your computer. Once uploaded, the video will sit inside that shape just like an image would, but with motion. You can still resize the frame, crop the video, and position it however you like within your layout. This makes it flexible and easy to integrate into existing designs. However, there's an important limitation to be aware of. Figma requires a paid professional plan to fully use video layers. If you're on the free version, you'll likely see a prompt asking you to upgrade when attempting this. It's not a bug or error, it's simply a feature restriction. The second method is dragging and dropping a video file directly onto your canvas. This works similarly to how you'd import images. You take a video from your computer and drop it into Figma. While this feels quick and natural, the same limitation applies. You'll still need access to a professional plan to properly use and edit that video layer. If you do have access, both methods give you a smooth workflow for embedding video into your designs. You can then use these videos inside prototypes to create more realistic demonstrations, especially when presenting to clients or stakeholders. If you're working on the free version, there are still a couple of practical alternatives. One common workaround is using animated GIFs. While they don't offer full video control, they can simulate motion and are fully supported in Figma without any restrictions. Another option is linking out to external prototypes or video demos when presenting your work. It's also worth keeping performance in mind. Large video files can slow down your file or make prototypes feel less responsive, so try to use optimized clips that are short and compressed when possible. So to sum it up, you can add videos in Figma either through the Fill panel or by dragging and dropping files, but full functionality requires a professional plan. Even with that limitation, understanding how it works and what your alternatives are helps you choose the best approach for your project. And that's it. Once you get comfortable with this, you'll find that adding video can bring a whole new level of clarity and impact to your designs.